Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, we want to navigate to storage, right over here. Select your memory card, and then you'll see format option. Simply click on it. It brings up a message letting you know that formatting removes everything from the card, so if you have anything that you'd like to not remove, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made a copy or you just simply don't want to, you can select erase and format. This will begin formatting the card. This process only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go. So click on OK, and that's it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.